Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.